So here we are doing an outside project here. This is in Calais Blancas. We're doing a complete reform of all the exterior. So all the old sheen is coming off, as you can see, and all the exterior walls. We'll be taking the air cons off. There's another one up here and pulling them over and then suspending them once we put Respado. And we've taken a roof section off here because we're going to be bringing that terrace forward to me, the same on the top. And then we're doing the tower area here. So we're going to make this tower, it's going to look very similar to this, although this has got glass blocks. We're going to have 2 PVC windows in here, tilting only, all the way up. So all the back will then be chipped off. And again, we'll have Respado. This wall's coming out and we're bringing the kitchen forward and raising this terrace. So there's a lot going on. Yeah, good.